There is something special about starting the day with a simple brewing ritual. Here I'm grabbing my trusty Moka Pot and the Timemore C3 off the shelf. Onto the coffee area. First things first, let's weigh out our beans. Just enough for a balanced cup. I think I used 18 grams of coffee here. A quick RDT. Then comes the grind. It has been a while since I have last used this grinder. So I opted to check the grind settings. For Moka Pots, I use around 7 clicks on the Timemore C3 grinder. With a hand grinder, it's not just preparing coffee. It's a small workout of the day, a moment to appreciate the process. The rhythmic turning of the handle, the sound of beans crackling, and the aroma that slowly fills the air. It's always worth it. Before we brew, I like to heat some water, so a quick tap on the electric kettle, just enough to give the moka pot a smooth and gentle extraction later. Preheating helps reduce the bitterness. Let's get the moka pot ready. Now pour the freshly ground coffee into the funnel. A little shake here. Leveling it gently. No tamping. I like to search for a flat surface stuff thing to level everything and clean up my mess. Since I'm using a hot water to start the brewing process, I usually grab a rag to insulate the heat. With everything in place, we can close it up and set it on the stove. This is the part I always enjoy, watching the magic happen. Slowly, the coffee starts to rise, bubbling its way up as pressure builds. Time to pour. The brewed coffee flows out beautifully into the cup, deep and concentrated. For today, I'm keeping it as simple with an Americano style, mostly because I ran out of milk. Still smooth, still comforting, just in a different way. And finally, the best part, bringing the finished cup back to the work area beside the laptop, ready to start the day. A small ritual, a humble brew, but never fails to make the morning better.